Hey guys, what is up? Duck here, long time no see. Today I've actually made a new video, Risk of Rain 2, except it's completely different than how it normally is. See, I was thinking about doing a normal Risk of Rain 2 playthrough, no deaths, but we changed it up a little bit. The guys wanted to do something a little more fun because we're all pretty good at Risk of Rain 2, but we wanted to change it up. If you don't know what Risk of Rain 2 is, it's basically it's a roguelike. I think it's roguelike. Roguelike, I think it's the correct term. It's a shooter, and to where you go through all these different worlds, and after you go to a portal, and then you start a portal up, and as you start a portal up, there's a boss, yada yada yada. As the time goes on, it gets harder and harder and harder. There is, I think, 5 stages or 6 stages, don't get me wrong, but I have to get through all of these stages and beat the game without dying. If I die, my friends can change my Discord username and profile picture. I'm not going to say whether I win or lose. I'm just going to say the result is very interesting either way. And yeah, if you hear other people in the background, because there's only me, Paxton, which is nameless, and Joe in the queue, but I made it to where the entire Discord community could vote on it. So you'll see a lot more people in. They're just watching in the background. They're watching a stream that we set up from someone else's perspective. So if you hear other people other than me, Joe, and Paxton, that is why. Thank you guys for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
That could help. Oh!
Why is he here? Why are you here?
Shit. God run, question mark?
A bustling fungus.
Bustling fungus printer.
Okay, I cannot die. I cannot
please
die.
go away.
I cannot die. Do not die.
Teleport is right there. Bustling
I
fungus
cannot
printer.
die.
Bustling fungus increases HP regen while standing still.
You think I could put in a console command?
No! No, no, no. No, no, no. This ain't fair. This ain't fair. No, we don't.
Well, to kill him, most likely.
I could.
You wouldn't do that. You
I
wouldn't be that
Are we
evil.
pinging things to claim them? Is this how this works?
That's how I do
Oh.
it. Or I do it to see what's in it sometimes. Like when I'm a mile away, you can ping it to see what's in the.
You're a multi. It's like
Fair.
a multi-shop you can see.
Ooh, regen after killing an enemy. Pog. Pog. My voice has been getting fuckier and fuckier by the day, and I don't get it. I don't get it.
You know what's going in the video. I want you to know this.
Yeah, this is very true.
And then the screen's gonna shake. Oh man, I got my content ready.
Just put in some sad violin as you said.
Gay hazard, gotta be kicking. Fuck. Oh god. Please
Oh,
die, Stone
man.
Man. Don't fuck me.
I thought you died. You're like, wait, why is your health red?
I have
Wait,
I have a thing that every time I got the infusion kit.
Okay.
What is? Why is your health?
You're-
No.
Trying to figure out.
Okay.
Okay, I'm alive. I want this.
Oh, we should get going. We need help.
Do
Stand
not
in
die.
a circle.
I'm running so far away you don't even understand. You guys seem to have this under control, so I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah, it's
let-
already dead. This is interesting.
Oh, it really wants me dead, doesn't it? Turns to look direct. Only, dude, stop.
It should be dead in a second.
We need this fall.
If I die in the
God.
first one, that's not okay.
We got Kajaro bands.
So you were not
Chris, you're too good.
I know, I'm so good that I haven't died yet. Not even close. I wasn't on 80
Not
health
even.
for 1 second.
I hate you.
I love you.
No.
This was me in grade
Alright,
9.
second
Talkie
stage.
room.
Ooh, what's that over there? I want that.
The
Annoying.
drywall eater.
I'll see
You're
the
a drywall
teleporter.
eater. Please shut up.
No.
What's up?
Are you
Nice.
all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm ready. Chancy warp.
Stone Titan.
Don't you have killing things to put their
Oh!
orb for your own satisfaction? Yeah, me too. That's hog. Hello, enemies. I'd rather not die. Please leave me alone. Oh, this thing has laser beams. I'm gonna fucking die. Tried it.
Eli's got 32 seconds lead on the fight.
Alright.
I have my entire account on the line.
What is this? Oh. Boosts health and regen? I'll take that gladly. Why new mic? Your mic sounds fun.
Oh no, I wanted the sound more crisp.
Fair enough. I'm only gonna upgrade this PC because that's all I want. I want to actually be able to play half the game.
I might get some RAM, but I just get money and then get the RAM.
RAM isn't really expensive though.
No, it's not that bad.
Yeah, the one where I am.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
Eli.
Oh! Oh! That was clutch. There's another one over there if you want to do it.
13, 19. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh
Alright,
no.
What's this thing? Oh no, please stop.
He's gonna chain. Yep. Oh, he's looking at me. Not quite sure how I feel about this. Oh.
My glaive. Uh-oh, please leave me alone. I'm fighting the boss over here.
I'm fighting the boss and all of his little minions.
No. No, we don't do this. You don't. No.
I wonder
no.
what happens if you get hit by the chain. Actually, I don't. What happens?
Pulls you towards him.
Oh, that's it? I thought it would like destroy you.
It does like half your health. Looks like I got hair on my head from the leech. Look at this.
Oh, I really don't want to be here.
Hello, Mr. Jellyfish.
Ring vagrant sound up your alley.
Actually, I can deal with the vagrant now that I'm playing this character. I usually play.
Where do those arrows even go? I used my ability. I don't even know where it went.
I'm leaving.
Oh no, don't fall off the map. That's bad. Yoink.
I feel.
I've gotten no damage upgrades.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna
Nice.
die. I'm gonna die.
You'll be fine. Suck it up.
Elemental birds, elemental vultures, dude. They do so
Well,
much.
the birds are not fun. I have to agree, but they're honestly not that bad.
You don't have anything to lose, damn it. My dignity.
Right.
My dignity.
What's that?
Hey, I need content.
Another boss spawned over here.
What's the porcupine do?
Used in the game.
Oh, okay, let's chill.
Oh, we can offer our soul twice here, up to 6 times.
Me and my little buddy are gonna make it through this.
The shredder right here.
Hey, Bob, I just want you to know what I'm saying is a joke, but don't take this personally. Call him Gay Hazard.
Oh my gosh!
What did he say? I didn't hear him.
No, I didn't say. Paxton just got nuked.
Oh. Enjoyable.
I would.
Alright, I'm gonna sacrifice my soul again. Hear me out.
That's how you make max profit. Oh, who? Oh! Oh!
Oh, that is the boss. By the way, that's the.
Oh, that's
Someone's-
right,
That's
that's
a boss.
Someone's clowning me right now, dude.
I destroyed 2 eggs. I will destroy the final.
Y'all are trying to get me killed, bro. Y'all are trying to get me killed.
Well, yeah,
I
it's the
thought
goal,
that
is
was
it not?
apparent earlier.
Yeah, well, I didn't know they were trying this hard. They took an extra step to try and
I
get
got
me
one
killed.
shot.
We did give Eli an extra boss
They went through hoops to spawn in another boss. God. Oh God, guys, there's a demon up here. We should probably start this teleporter here soon after we get this alloy worship unit dead. Oh boy. I'm gonna beat Mithrix without dying, homie. I'm gonna do it. Oh. Why is he up here? Why?
Wait, when you die, you go over.
Yeah.
Unless you're multiplayer.
Unless you're multiplayer, then.
Yeah, you can definitely
Yeah, it's a roguelike.
That just did mass damage to me.
Oh, why is the big...
We need to start this somewhere. I won't be here anymore. Oh, I'm so pissed. Oh, I'm so pissed. Oh, I'm so pissed. Am I gonna regret this? I feel like I'm gonna regret this.
Alright, ready? Eli, ready? Okay.
Yeah, do
Here's
it.
your picture.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. I haven't checked it yet. I'm waiting for the name. I'm waiting for the name to go through before I click on it.
Copy.
Oh
We're gonna need a
God.
clear history after this.
Oh
Yeah, we're
God.
going to. Here, have that taste.
No, it's not like. Oh God, I see the name in the chat. So it's not like pornography, is it? Because I can't do
I
that.
think you'd probably be safe.
You'll be fine.
Probably.
SFW.
What the f- I don't. No. No.
Let me check it out really quick.
Is it the tiger one?
Yeah.
Oh my
Fuck yes.
God.
That's better than the one I sent.
No. Oh, the amount of editing that I'm gonna have to do to this video is just not okay. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
What have you guys been talking about?
Oh no, I don't want to do this. I don't want to
You
do
have to.
this.
Eli, do you know?
Oh